Hello, this is another thrift store find. It's a pocket knife. Let's take a look at it. It's got brass ends, it looks like. Looks like maybe a bone handle. Probably a plastic bone handle. This is pretty much the way I found it. It needs to be cleaned up. Okay, let's get it open. And it says, get that in focus. That says Big John. Never heard of that brand. Solingen, Solingen steel. Okay. So it's a Big John. See if I can get it to come in better. It's not going to focus too good, I guess. Yeah, it's not too sharp. Anyway, it was in with some other tools that I purchased. So it's not too bad of a find. Let's close it up. You have to push this knob down. It's kind of stiff. Closes right up. Okay, there you go. Give me a like, subscribe, and again, as always, thanks for watching.